Oh my gosh, so it's that time again. We get to do an unboxing from SunFrog. Now, I did cut open the bag, but I didn't peek. Gotta be real. So, here we go. It arrived Saturday. Okay, now even cutting the bag, there we go. All right, let's get rid of that. By the way, their packaging is super, super cute. Okay, so we have the new content creator shirt. That's right. And I'm loving the graphics. We have, oh gosh, I might have to put the phone down. Sorry for the shaky Blair Witch cam, but oh, there we go. Looky there. There is the actual shirt. Only took me a minute to get you to this point. Now they do use Gildan shirts. They are medium weight. They're not the lightweight ones. They're not the super thick winter ones. These are just right, especially after a washing. So, content creator, multitasking, problem solving, requires coffee, will travel. What else is cute? Contents may vary in color, 100% organic. There's what got me. Warning, sarcasm inside. Go figure. Not quite sure about that number. Anybody know the significance? R for adult language. Long hours may cause binge drinking. And the little skull is so cute. This one is navy blue. It's a dark blue. It's a deep blue. They do have a bright blue available. I will post a link to this shirt in the description. Also, please like and follow. Share this with anybody you know who would love this shirt or one of our shirts. The fastest way to find our content and our t-shirt line is to go to 10tshirts.com, of course. Thanks for watching. Can't wait to put this on.